Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Lokosu Sylvain, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my journey into learning coding. Now, I just signed up for a 12-month program on software engineering, and one of the things I discovered about the course after signing up is the fact that it is not beginner friendly. Of course, my motivation into getting into anything tech or software engineering is simply to do something big. As we grow in life, you begin to think on how to do bigger things so that you can make bigger impact. And of course, when you check the whole world now, the world is going fully tech, and those with the tech skill are the ones that are going to make the huge impact. And then finally, what I discovered after I started my journey into learning the whole software engineering is the fact that the salary is a huge something. Like, many people got into the system because of the salary. Though I didn't know this part initially, I think getting a fast salary like that is something worth going for, because at the end we still need the money to do whatever we want to do, no matter the impact we are buying for. So basically, I want to do something big. I want to build a software company for myself and all the rest of the dream. Of course, it's just nice for me to document these processes here so that later, 5 years, 10 years, even 15 years later, I can look back on this video and know exactly how I'm doing. And for those who want to get into coding or computer science or anything that got to do with the tech aspect also, of course, it is just nice that they draw inspiration from videos like this, just as I've done in the past few weeks trying to learn coding. So far, what have I done? Number one is that since I discovered that the course will not be for total beginners and I'm coming from scratch, like I know nothing about computer science, I know nothing about software engineering, I don't know anything about how to use programming languages. So number one thing I did is that I went to Udemy and I got the beginners class on Python. So far, also, I have watched many videos who have suggested that the best language or the easiest language for total beginner like me to learn is Python. So I've gone to Udemy to purchase a Python programming language course from zero to mastery. Of course, I may leave the link in the description in case you are new and you want to learn something like that too. Please check it below and get your own. I've not taken the whole course, but so far I've gotten an idea of how the whole programming things and the whole Python course or the Python programming languages work, because I just finished learning about variables, and of course I'm going into the other aspects anytime soon. Of the next thing I do is I start watching YouTube videos, like vlog a day in the life of a programmer and how other people began. That is why I have to do this video, so that you know also that someone can start from scratch even without a college degree in the programming space or the software engineering space. I watch video to draw inspiration, and one of the most important thing I learned watching all these video or listening to people who have gone ahead of me is the fact that inspiration is not enough. Discipline is more important than inspiration when it comes to learning coding or anything computer engineering. So I hold that and I'm using it as I begin my journey into my 12-month course on software engineering. So of course, I just link this to you. You to make sure you take it with a grain of salt. Motivation is good. Motivation can get you started, but discipline is what will keep you going. Another thing I have done in the last few weeks is to get a course on full stack web development. So when I get that course on full stack web development, I will also learn about other languages like JavaScript and every other language that come to do with building a full stack website. So I'm learning Python as a language, and I'm also learning a full stack web development. Of course, full stack web development is not really about computer, or is not really about software engineering, but anything that can help me familiarize with the whole computer or programming languages is what I'm simply doing. The next thing I'm going to do is to get a course on software engineering, of course. Now it's remaining just like okay, today is a 23, is remaining exactly 1 month for me to get started with the 12 months course. So what I'm going to do before that 1 month is to get another course that is 3 different courses. And of course, I'm subscribing to other people's channel, like other programmers who have gone ahead. I'm subscribing to their channel, watching their video, how they got started, how they are able to get job, reading blog posts. Of course, I know reading blog posts is not something what is not something that will give you any really serious gain, but to a very large extent, you are going to get an idea of what you are getting into. That is very important to me too. So following other people, getting into the tech space, and of course, reading other people's experience, how they got job, how they begin from scratch is a huge inspiration, but the discipline is still as important as you will ever think. Anything that will help me be disciplined, learn and familiarize myself with tech and everything that concerns tech, that is what I'm doing now. So that is all I want to tell you today. I just want to document this here. And of course, if you have any idea for me, drop it down on the comment below. And if you are a beginner, please drop it down in the comment below. Check the comments. You may have, I may list some of the courses I've taken under the comment section below. Make sure you check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because they help me spread this message further and faster. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and of course give me some word of encouragement if you can. Thank you for watching.